here's some of the tools I use for 3D printing. So I feel like every workspace should have something from each of these sort of 5 categories of tools. Some of these are very necessary because they're so deeply integrated into my daily workflow, while others don't get used nearly as often, but I wouldn't be caught without them. The vacuum is likely the most often used tool in my room here. And as you probably know, if you're into 3D printing at all, this is probably a super frequently used tool in your space too. 3D printers, they just generate a lot of little plastic pieces. For this category, I'm ranking the vacuum right at the top in terms of necessity. You should just have one. I'm constantly using mine, and for 3D printing specifically, this is an absolute non-negotiable necessity.